Okay, I got my computer here and I got Microsoft Bing chat bot open. It's a AI chat bot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click here and tell it to write me a script for creating a DTF designs. Okay, I'm just going to click here. Okay, there we go. This is how I use artificial intelligence in my screen print operation. I'm new to AI just like everyone else, and chatbots and Chat GPT and Midjourney and DALL-E, all those AI tools. But I don't see how can I use it to benefit me, make my workload easier. So yes, write me a script for a video, for a YouTube video. And I will read over this script and see if I can use it in my next video. And it tells you right here at the bottom down here, if I say thank you, I can click here thank you to reply back. And then it says, can you improve the script by adding some jokes and anecdotes? Can you optimize the script for SEO keywords? So there's some of the advantages. I can do this right here and click on it. And what it's going to do is now it's going to put in SEO keywords for search engines to find. And you can also do your YouTube channel description like this also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another YouTube video. And I'm not going to necessarily use the script to make the video, but I'm going to use the script in the description of the video. Since it's optimized for SEO. And we'll see how well that works. I didn't do a screen record because I want you guys to see this live and see it how it actually works without any tricks. So this is actually recording from my computer screen from the camera and not screen recording from the computer. I don't know if you can read it or how visible it is, but this is how you can use it. At least on your screen print channel, and you can use it in your business also. There's lots of AI tools that you could use. I got a long list of them that I'm reviewing and looking over now to see how it can benefit me in the future. I know AI can be scary, and I don't know where it's going to take us, but for right now, I want to make sure I'm able to jump off the ship when things get crazy. Knowledge is power. Okay. I'm just going to tell it thank you. Thank you for optimizing the script for SEO keywords, and it'll give me a reply back. It says, sorry, but looks like your connection has been lost. Oh well. When I get my connection back, then I will, once I get my connection back, it'll automatically just do write a thank you. So now let me see, can I copy this? Just copy it. Okay. Back up to here. Hit copy. Now this is copy it. And now what I'm going to do is make a video, and I'm just going to paste this in the description, and you guys can read what it says in the description. All right, I'm going to finish up the DTF video from yesterday, and I'm going to copy this into the description of the video so that you can see how you can use AI. It's just a simple sample example of how you can use AI in your business, any business, not just screen printing. And I'm going to go down the road of AI. I'm going to do that just as experimental to see what you can do with it, well, what I can do with it in the future, because things are moving kind of fast. Technology is moving fast, and we got to keep up with it or get left behind. So we need to learn how to utilize this stuff, or it's going to destroy our business. It's going to take out the t-shirt business if we don't keep up with it and find out what's going on and how to use it for our benefit. So will AI destroy the t-shirt business? Will it destroy your business? Will it run you out of business? I don't know, but I do know that the think tank said in the next 5 years, 50,000 businesses will be closing. And they're closing fast. Banks are closing. So I don't know what the future holds, but I do know that we need to be ready for it. Even as t-shirt printers and t-shirt embellishers. We need to be ready for the future, and AI is the future. Unfortunately, you can embrace it or you can ignore it. It's up to you. I choose to sort of investigate and research and see what it's all about before I embrace it or ignore it. So I'm in this video right here and make the DTF video finish up from yesterday, and I'm out. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me your thoughts on AI and the chat bots and all the tools, or do you use any of the tools? Leave in the comments.